A clean, healthy home is a happy home, and now it's easier than ever to achieve with the new range of cordless vacuum cleaners from Electrolux. The Ultimate Home 900 hand stick vacuum cleaner is the hero of this range, delivering a powerful, effortless clean across your floor surfaces. It has 150 air watts, 5 times the suction power of its predecessors. This nimble appliance delivers superior cleaning results, whether it's dealing with an unexpected mess or a thorough deep clean for a healthier home. The 5-step sealed filtration system removes 99.9% of dust particles, leaving your living spaces hygienically clean. And with PowerPro hard floor and multi-surface nozzles, the Ultimate Home 900 has all the accessories you need to easily handle every room in your home. Plus, you get exceptional staying power, a full 120 minutes of continuous cleaning on the minimum power setting. That's thanks to interchangeable batteries. The durable high-speed motor means reliability and longevity of service. And the lightweight cordless design, well, it gives you freedom to move. It's an effortlessly smooth and powerful clean, and it's in your hands with the new range of Ultimate Home 900 hand stick vacuum cleaners from Electrolux.